Rosemary is an evergreen shrub with intensely scented needle-like leaves that thrives in a warm temperate and Mediterranean climate. Growing into a large woody shrub, this powerful herb displays a gorgeous, bee-friendly fanfare of tiny blue flowers in the spring. This favorable herb provides so many beneficial effects that it's literally a sin not to include it in your diet. Rosemary holds an alchemical key to unraveling a turbulent mind whilst imbuing a calming, yet invigorating energy. You just need to rub it between the fingers and inhale its rich, pleasant aroma and experience the most soothing and extravagant feelings. Not only is rosemary a delicious addition to healthy cuisine, but it also supports our health in so many different and unique ways. Some of these benefits have been tried and tested through the ages, passed down from generation to generation, and some have even been tested by science. When you learn its numerous health uses, you will understand why it is ranked on the highest stages of beneficial herbs, and you will never leave your home without rosemary, for it is a real gift to be embraced by anyone. Health benefits. Amazing antioxidant. Rosemary contains potent antioxidants which protect the body against free radical damage. It has been shown to possess caffeic acid and rosmarinic acid are well known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, as well as carnosol and ursolic acid, which are known to prevent melanoma and cancer. Anti-inflammatory effect. It gives fantastic results as an anti-inflammatory and has been reported to relieve asthma, eczema, arthritis, gout, and other inflammatory conditions. Undoubtedly, there are other herbs and spices that may give better and quicker results at reducing inflammation, but rosemary is certainly beneficial as an all-rounder. Superbrain food. Rosemary has been shown to stimulate the nervous system in the brain whilst increasing the flow of blood to the head, whilst it was also traditionally associated with strengthening memory. Moreover, this potent herb also contains compounds that stop the degradation of acetylcholine, which is an important neurotransmitter that ensures communication between the cells and healthy memory. Adrenal fatigue, stress, fight or flight. It has the ability to help against adrenal fatigue and stress since it calms the stress hormones. We are aware that modern living creates numerous strange situations that we need to cope with. Fight or flight immediately puts us in a state of stress as the body experiences a cascade of the highly stimulating cortisol hormone throughout the body. In this case, rosemary, along with herbs like lavender, has the uncanny knack of being able to lower cortisol levels in the body. All-round energizing stimulant and relaxant. Rosemary is an all-around stimulant known for its uplifting, energizing qualities and at the same time, imparts the rather welcomed ability to calm and gently soothe. Rosemary also supports blood circulation, improves digestion, encourages healthy hair growth and the immune system. How to use rosemary. Essential oil. Many people love the intense aroma of rosemary essential oil and use it on the skin topically or as a powerful inhalant. It possesses powerful stimulant properties, so avoid it in case of pregnancy. Tea infusion. You can prepare your own rosemary tea infusion at home. Simply place some fresh rosemary into a tea ball or muslin bag and allow it to infuse in a mug for about 10 minutes. If you have a teapot, just pour boiling water on the fresh herb and then strain off when ready. It is advisable to crush or bruise some of the leaves beforehand, so you can get a richer flavor and release more of the oils.